Hey, alright. So, I just recorded a video a minute ago of me running up to the gas station, and I was sort of doing a wind noise test, and it turned out that the fog was completely overdoing the fucking wind. So basically, I'd rather have a lot of wind noise than a video where you can't see anything. That's just me personally. So I've got this bandana on my face right now, trying to see if I can stop some of the hot air from going towards the camera. Even whenever I had the visor up, I noticed that even the camera lens seemed to fog up for a split second. That's mostly because my nose hovers directly over top of the camera. But this right here should stop that for a minute. It feels a little funky on my head right now. So yeah, we'll see how this works out here in a second. Yes, wind noise test plus anti-fogging test, all in one. Damn it, I did that last time too. Fucking mud. Anyways, we'll see how this works out. Hopefully it diverts it some. I'm not 100% if it will. Would be nice. What we got going on here? Oh shit. Fucking mud. Alright. I'm still fogging up. Son of a bitch. At least I can still see some. But yeah, it's still fogging up. Damn it. It's a pain in the ass. I can still feel, it feels like a bunch of wind still coming in. So I'm willing to bet fucking a spot of my anti-wind noise design fucking popped off. Making this completely fucking pointless. God damn it. Get down here to the end, turn around. Not to mention, this is actually kind of squishing my nose a bit. It's slightly annoying. The camera isn't touching my nose, but fucking... God damn it. I get so fucking aggravated when shit doesn't work. Let's see. A good driveway. Oh, there's one that works perfectly. Deal with the mud. I don't like the way this feels. Blinker. Alright, well, let's get the hell out of here. And I'm still fogging up. Can't see with shit. God damn it. It's probably escaping through some cracks fucking around my eyelids or something. Not my eyelids. coverage, but cheeks, gets underneath the eyes. I don't like this. Doesn't make it at all. Can't see it as well. As far as fogging up as much as it was, though, that's got to be one good thing. But unfortunately, like I said, I'm still feeling quite a bit of wind. So it probably means this whole fucking video is not even worth fucking doing. Fucker. There we go. I'm poking out really bad, but that's expected. Alright, let's see. No? I guess just how it's feeling. Well, I guess this is it. It doesn't drive up the rest of the driveway. Find out how well it actually stayed unfogged. Well, in the bed it still sucked ass. Alright, see you everyone.